Hello and congratulations on the purchase of your CarPro-Tec Fusion 4G. In this video, we would like to show you how to set up the device optimally. Please fully charge the CarPro-Tec before you start using it. Use the included USB-C charging cable for this. To optimally adapt the CarPro-Tec to your vehicle, it must first be positioned at its final mounting location. This should be an easily accessible but also visually protected location near a 5 or 12 volt power supply in the living area. Please provide a permanent power supply for the CarPro-Tec. Suitable installation locations would be, for example, under a seating area, on the inside of your closet or under your bed. Well, except for the oven and fridge, and also please don't screw anything in front of them. You want to be able to access your device again later. We do not recommend installing it inside the outer flap or rear garage. These can later be additionally secured with our magnetic door window contacts. As long as you position your CarPro-Tec in the living area so that it is not visible and easily accessible, you can't really go wrong. We recommend attaching the device using the magnetic pad supplied to avoid any screwing or drilling in your vehicle. Please carry out the following configuration steps without the indoor siren connected, so as not to expose yourself unnecessarily to our extremely loud siren. Only start adjusting the room volume sensor when the device is in the installation location you have chosen. To switch on the CarPro-Tec, briefly press the System button with a pointed object. Now briefly press the 4G button to activate the 4G module. If the corresponding LED in the status bar lights up, this process has been successful. Now set the rotary control of the room volume sensor to a 3 o'clock position. This corresponds approximately to the 9th line. Now close all doors and windows of your vehicle from the inside and go to the door or window that is furthest away from the installation location of your CarPro-Tec. Now arm the CarPro-Tec with the remote control by briefly pressing the right-hand button with the closed lock symbol. A short beep confirms that the system is armed. Now open the door or window with a sudden opening movement as if you were trying to break in. Please use some force as we are simulating a break-in. End the triggered test alarm by pressing the left button with the open lock symbol on the remote control. 2 short beeps confirm that the monitoring has been deactivated. Now adjust the setting of the room volume sensor optimally to your vehicle by minimally reducing the sensitivity by small nuances with the rotary control by turning it to the left. Repeat this process until you are no longer able to trigger an alarm, even after several tries and sudden opening movements. Now turn the room volume sensor to the last position in which you were able to trigger an alarm. Select the exact setting on the rotary control for your vehicle that reliably triggers the alarm in the event of an abrupt opening, but is not set too sensitively. Finally, position the supplied interior siren in a separate, also visually protected location, hidden in your vehicle. If required, use the extension cable supplied with the siren and connect everything via a jack. Optionally, you can also place the supplied status arming LED, for example in the window frame, so that you can see it clearly from the outside. The CarPro-Tec gains additional functions when it is connected to your smartphone via app. Install the CarPro-Tec Fusion app on your smartphone or tablet via your app store. Open the app and log in once with your login details. You will find your login details either on the back of your device or on the separate label. Allow all notifications and go to your profile by clicking here at the top left. Customize your profile data and please change the password to a password known only to you. Congratulations! Once you have successfully logged in, The app is connected to your new CarPro-Tec. As soon as the CarPro-Tec detects an alarm, you will receive an alarm notification including an updated GPS position via the app on your smartphone. If you still have any problems or need support, please visit our extensive online knowledge database at support.carprotec.eu. There you will also find all our detailed instructions for download.